Hi friends, welcome to Conca. This particular session is about answering certain questions like is India going to start international flights? If India is going to start international flights, what kind of idea or what kind of modality is going to be followed in order to start this international flight, as well as there has been news saying that US has warned India regarding the Vande Bharat mission, and as of this particular situation, India is trying to crack bilateral agreements with US, UK, France and Germany in order to restart the international flights. Let's get to know more about this particular travel bubble idea and what kind of significance and potential this travel bubble idea literally holds. Let's get to know what is travel bubble. When you take a travel bubble, could you see the images in this particular side? You could see two bubbles over here. They're literally considering that let's take in example as India is one country which is literally called as this one single bubble, another country which is France, which is another bubble. So what they are trying to do is that every country will be considered as a bubble, and this bubbles will be connected because this involves reconnecting countries and states that has shown good level of success in containing the novel coronavirus domestically. If any two countries have literally shown a good progress in containing the pandemic, which means there has been less number of COVID cases, then there could be travel between these countries. In order to create this particular travel, they are creating these bubbles in which your travel is restricted only to these two countries, whereas stopovers are not literally allowed when you take this travel bubble into consideration. So this travel bubble will allow the members of the groups to rekindle trade ties as well as the kickstart the sectors such as travel and tourism. You had a So this was the article in the newspaper Hindu, which said that India is planning for international flights. Yes, India is right now planning for bilateral agreements with US, UK, France, and Germany because India wanted to start international air travel to these four countries. Whatever could be the situation, because the kind of situation right now is COVID-19, which has literally made two great impacts on the world. One is so much of economy is affected, and the second one is travel of people is highly restricted, so that people are not able to move around large to other countries in a larger aspect. Even at this point of time, there is certain countries that is having greater demand, that is like US, France, Germany and UK. So India literally wanted to start this particular air travel. If India wants to start this air travel, it should also be careful that COVID-19 is not increasing or India is not having the second wave like other countries, which is has opened its borders. So what India is trying to do is India is trying to come out with this travel bubble idea. Will the travel will happen between this particular two regions, and these two regions will also increase the trade that is happening between these two countries. Also the travel and tourism will also expand. India is trying for this travel bubble idea. When India is trying for this travel bubble idea, US has literally warned India regarding this Vande Bharat mission. When what is this Vande Bharat mission, it is government of India's initiative in order to bring back standard Indians in other countries to India. So India, by making use of Air India, they are doing a round of trips. Like they'll start from India, they'll move to US, and they'll get back the standard Indians from US, and they'll get back to India. This is literally was the round of trip that was happening with respect to Air India Limited. What does Air India Limited has done is that there was certain stipulated timeline that was given by US to this Air India. Like India, you could come into my territory, you can take your own citizens, and the timeline is going to be June 30, which was later extended to 13 June. But as of now, India, when it is starting from the Indian territory, it is taking certain citizens of its own country to US, which means they are not standard. So India is taking certain certain of its citizens to the US country. So what they have said is that you are literally circumventing whatever provisions that was given to you. If India is going to do this repetitively, and India will go through a ban. US is threatening that I'll ban whatever repartition charters that you're doing with respect to this Vande Bharat mission. And the second thing what US has literally accused India is that Delta Airlines is one of the airlines from US, and they were also asking for the same kind of repartition which is provided to Air India. But as India has literally banned entry of all air services from other countries, they are not provided any kind of relaxation. So, which is literally a competitive disadvantage situation. And if this is going to happen, US is saying that we will ban the repartition charters under the Vande Bharat mission. And let's get to know what if, as India is trying to do with this international flights, which means there is some kind of significance and potential for this travel bubble. Let's get to know what is the significance and potential this travel bubble idea will literally hold. When you take how this travel bubble will work is residents within this particular bubble will be able to travel freely by air, rail and sea without any quarantine measure. There no need to quarantine. And who are entering this corridor from other countries, say like if you want to move from US to India, there will be transit in Dubai where you another person could enter into this particular flight from another region. So there is will be transits, right? So someone who is wanted to enter into this transit, they are outside this bubble country, and if they wanted to enter means first they have to go for a 14 days quarantine time period. In order to travel freely in this zone, what are the conditions is that they should not travel, should not have traveled outside for the past 14 days, and they should not be infected with coronavirus, and they should not have come in contact with anyone who is coronavirus infection. And what could be the significance and potential of this is this potential travel bubbles will become good for better performing countries. If your country is literally reducing the COVID-19 pandemic, then that particular country is free of this COVID-19, which means the economic is rightly starting up, which is a better performing country. And this would account, this kind of travel and tourism would account for 35% of the global GDP. And maximum smaller countries are literally preferring for this kind of trade with the larger partners. So if India is going to have this kind of travel bubble, the movement of people will kickstart as before. But there has to be so many precautions because COVID-19 is not having any kind of borders. It is pandemic in nature. So before India trying to do with this travel bubble idea, it has to check on whether there is second wave of virus, and if that is going to be the situation, India has to make so much of regulations even for this travel bubble idea. If you like my video, comment on it, like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.